Hello, beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. You make my heart skip a beat every time I see you, and I cannot get enough of your love. Thank you for being mine. You are my sunshine on my cloudy day, my rock when I need support, and my best friend for life. I love you more than anything in this world. I cherish every moment that we spent together, and I am grateful for every moment that we met. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me. I cannot imagine my life without you, and I thank my lucky stars every day that I found you. I love you more than anything in this world. You make my heart sing with joy, and I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you. You are my forever and always. You are the most beautiful person I know, inside and out. I am so grateful to have you in my life, and I love you more every day. You are my soulmate, my partner in crime, and my forever love. I love you more than words can express. You are my everything, and I cannot imagine my life without you. Thank you for being my rock, my support, and my love. You light up my life like nobody else, and I am so grateful for your love. I love you more than anything in this world. You are my best friend, my confidant, and the love of my life. I am so lucky to have you by my side. Thanks for watching. Please to subscribe.